What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, and I'm actually looking at this triplex for a friend of mine who is investing from a distance. He actually lives in Los Angeles, California, and I'm looking at this triplex here in New Orleans for him. And a lot of people ask me, Jullien, how do you invest from a distance? Well, in order to do that, there's some critical things that you need to be aware of. The first and foremost, you actually need to know how to run the numbers. I bought properties blindly based on just what the numbers have told me. For instance, my property in Oakland, I've never been inside of it, all right? Yet that property, I bought it for $480,000. It was immediately worth $505,000, and today it is worth $730,000, $710,000. So I'm literally up $230,000 on that property, on a property I've never been inside of. So you don't have to be in the city that you seek to invest in. Some of you own Amazon stock and you've actually never been to Seattle. Some of you own Nike stock, you've never been to Beaverton. Your money does not have to work in the same city as you do, all right? And so in order to invest from a distance, one, you need to know how to run the numbers, right? You do need to be familiar with the market and actually do your proper research, but then you need to have some eyes and ears on the ground that you actually trust. So he has me here, and this is a good set of eyes to have when it comes to looking at real estate. He also has my agent. He also has my entire real estate Rolodex. So my plumber has already been out here. My foundation guy has already been out here. My electrician has already been out here. My general contractor has already been out here in preparation for his property inspection response. So this is really key to investing in a market that is different from where you live. I tell people all the time, here's the process and the places that you should invest. People say, what's the best rental markets to invest in? That's not how I look at it. First, you should try to invest where you currently live. That's going to be the easiest. Then you try to invest where you're from, okay? So I invested in Oakland, California, bought in Brooklyn because that's where I was living. Then I invested in Oakland, California, where I'm from. Then you want to invest where you're seeking to be a contribution. I wanted to be a contribution to New Orleans and Baton Rouge, so I invested here in the South. And then fourth, you should invest in wherever you're going to make money. I don't do those kind of investments. This is about more than money for me. This is about buying back the block and actually providing quality, affordable housing for folks. So for those of you who are afraid to invest in real estate from a distance, if you live in an expensive market like on the coast or something like that, you can come down to the South and actually have where the cost basis is a lot better and you're gonna get a lot greater returns, and you won't just be doing an appreciation play, but you'll actually get cash flow from your investment. So don't be afraid to do it, but you do need to know how to run the numbers. You need to have the right people on the ground in order to make sure that you succeed, all right? So if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one. And I will catch you on my next webinar. All right. Much love, y'all. Peace.